Okay, so most of you people out there on the internet land know that I usually just take pictures on Facebook and the videos are for YouTube. I haven't done a video in quite some time. But this one I'm doing as a video for Facebook just because, well, I've never owned one like this. This is probably the oldest fan I have. This is an early to mid 1960s 12-inch or one of those mini box fans that you hardly ever see from this company anyway. The company that made it, because somebody over the years has switched the drills around, is Electrohome. Now, Electrohome is a Canadian company. It's no longer around, but when they did make box fans, as any of the ones I've searched or looked up or even on forums, they're the only full size ever mentioned. So I thought this was pretty neat. And I originally thought this was a full size one too, which wouldn't have bothered me, because as everybody knows, these old metal bladers, you know, well, let's just say they throw this today's stuff in the garbage, literally. So this is a 3-speed, but kind of like the I don't know what the hell color it is. Original cord on it. It does work. I have tried it once. It was bought off Kijiji for a grand total of $10, untested. The person didn't know it ran. Found it in his garage. But it does run, actually. Has that beautiful startup sound of an old metal blader box fan. And no squealing or anything in the motor. It doesn't fight at all. That's low speed. That's medium. Medium and high, I don't really know as much of a difference between the two, but damn.